Welcome to HYPERSTOCK. Let's see how you can edit your inventories. Tap on a particular SKU to view details. Tap on this icon to edit details. You can directly edit SKU without any hesitations. You can add barcode, or from here you can directly scan your barcode to add details. From here, you can set the batch for SKU. And then tap on Save, and you are done.